Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 190. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering both of these boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4. 2 here, so 3, 4, up. 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4, 3, 2. And that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this row now, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 3, 7. That means the only place our 1 can be in that column is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1s covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 8. 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 2, 6. 5, 7, and 2 here means this is our 6, 2. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're still missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 4. And so for this box, we're missing the 3 and 7. I don't see any help, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 8, 9. This 4 makes this our 6, 4. That 3 makes us our 7, 3, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 6, 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.